What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make taskbar transparent in Windows 11. So currently on the settings in Windows 11, if you go over to personalization and you scroll down to where you have taskbar, you will not see any information or any option to make your taskbar transparent. The one solution we might want to take is to use a third-party app called Translucent TB. Translucent TB is a lightweight utility that makes the taskbar translucent or transparent. As you can see from some examples right here, the taskbar is transparent and we're going to go ahead and download it. And after downloading it, you can see you're going to click on the open button here and this will pop up. Go ahead and click on continue. And the next thing you'll need to do is to go over to the bottom right corner of your taskbar, click on the drop down, and here you have Translucent TB. Click on it. And among all these options, you're going to have them all in clear. So desktop is clear, visible window is clear, maximize window clear, same with start, search, task, and others. For now, we've not done every one of them, but we have enough to have the effect appear. So now we can see that the background here is black, and we're going to go over to settings. And under settings, you're going to go over to personalization. And then we're going to change our wallpaper. So now that we've changed it, we're going to minimize everything. And as you can see, our taskbar is transparent successfully here on our Windows 11. Of course, if you want to turn this off, you can come down here on the drop down once again, click on TB, and then exit. And this will return it back to the way it was. If you found this helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.